Stay tuned now for Edward R. Murrow with the news, presented by Hams. H-A-M-M-S.
This is the news. United Nations troops in Central Korea have run up against their stiffest opposition in many days. There are increasing signs that the communists intend to make a stand northeast of Hongchon, which is 55 miles east of Seoul. General MacArthur's headquarters is not permitting correspondents to make any mention of how close our troops are to the 38th parallel. At last report, we were less than 17 miles from this border at 10 different points. Here in New York today...
I've been always a Zenith Trans-Oceanic fan. In fact, we have here at home a transistorized 1974 Royal 7000 that we use on a daily basis. Recently, when browsing the classifieds, I found a B600 series transoceanic for sale. The 600 radios are the last of the vacuum tube transoceanics. So, guess what? I bought it. The radio was barely functional. All I could hear was just one station on the broadcast band, or medium wave as we say here. So I immediately took it apart. On the chassis itself, I found the manufacturing date, February 22, 1960. Upon the first inspection under the chassis, I discovered faulty components and untidy previous repair attempts. The power supply electrolytics were dead, so I removed them and did an almost full recapping. This brought the radio back to life.
So one of my friends talk about, said, do you believe that? I said, why not? Well, do you believe everything CNN says about Trump? Do you believe everything that Fox says about Biden? Well, then why do you believe what either one of them says about China? They're the same thing. Really, I mean, really, it's amazing.
This is Ken Carpenter welcoming you to the Music Hall, starring Al Jolson with Oscar Levant and Lou Brings Orchestra and Al's guests.
So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for its song.
Childhood development and child psychology. Can you, I guess, talk to us a little bit about how these insights shape the educational aspects of the show?
Absolutely. So, I mean, when you watch Kunda and Friends, you just see a fun, vibrant show with great characters having a good time. But there is a lot of behavioral science and expertise that go into the development of each episode. So, for example, one thing I really wanted to ensure that we did on this episode was to break the fourth wall. And breaking the fourth wall...
Puedes perderte el concierto de Gloria Gaynor en el Within Center. La leyenda de la música disco da un único concierto en la...
Nos contaba también lo que pasaba en Entrevías. Alma, que vaya bien la reunión de esta tarde y si no, pues seguiremos siendo vuestro altavoz. Barrio de Moscardó, Distrito Usera. Cuídate y un beso.
Muchas gracias, igualmente.
De la noche descarada, fugaz inquilino de mi alcoba, cuando la luna se apaga, del que no espero la caricia, si no es comprar.
Me han ayudado, ¿no?, a saber que en el segundo parcial pues aún podía acabar de darlo todo y bueno, con el premio de esta medalla, del mayor, ¿no?, poder lucirlo.
Se me llenó mi alma de palabras. Del gato no me fío. Lo siento. Tengo miedo de que me robe la calma. Como perro y gato sigue esta España mía. Como aquellos dos que Goya pintara a garrotazos y en la tierra hundía.